Wanna change your Facebook cover picture without notification? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change Facebook cover photo without notifications or without appearing it on your timeline. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this if you log into your ID. Now, tap on the profile icon that you can see just below the homepage icon and you'll head into your profile. Now, to change your profile picture, all you need to do is tap on the profile picture and below you'll find various options. You can see view profile cover, create avatar, cover photo, upload photo, select photo in Facebook or create cover colors. Now, you can always select photo in Facebook through here if you have any uploads on your Facebook. However, if you want to upload it from your device, then just tap on upload photo and here you can see picture. Now I'll just select a picture here. Now next, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can find the option share your update to newsfeed. Now what you want to do is you can see that blue tick mark there, tap on it and you want to toggle this thing off. Now once you do this, your update won't be shared to your newsfeed and the notifications won't be sent to anyone that your profile picture has been changed. So this way you can avoid the notifications when you change cover photo on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.